nature, oh, the great outdoors. Majestic eagle soaring, the mountain lion roars. Billy went a-hiking in the great north woods, unpacked all his tent poles and all of his canned goods. Boy, it sure is great to be out in the fresh air, but remember to be careful and remember to beware. Billy wasn't careful as he sat down in his chair. He forgot to keep a lookout and was eaten by a bear. Oh, the joy of nature, oh, the great outdoors. Majestic eagle soaring, the mountain lion roars. Now the tale of Sally and her new fishing pole. She gathered up her tackle, drove to the fishing hole. She caught a bunch of mackerel, she caught a big black bass. She loaded up her pickup and hit the road at last. She didn't check the flatbed for a stowaway back there. She pulled into her driveway and was eaten by a bear. Oh, the joy of nature, oh, the great outdoors. Majestic eagle soaring, mountain lion roars. Now nature is exciting, but sometimes you need a rest. Hanging out and watching stuff sometimes can be the best. Sean went to the movies, a safe place to relax. He bought a Coca-Cola and a couple salty snacks. The movie sure was funny, the movie sure was great. Sean had such a good time and got eaten by a bear. Oh, joy of nature, oh, great outdoors. Majestic eagle soaring, mountain lion roars. Joey went to bird watching in the woods of Delaware. He looked at all the wildlife, he loved the birds out there. Darkness fell too quickly, it gave him quite a scare. His flashlight batteries ran out, he didn't have a spare. He started cooking dinner, the aroma filled the air. Delicious, juicy burgers, tender, fresh, and rare. And then you know what happened, I'm sure you are aware. He ate a tasty dinner and went home without a care. Oh, the joy of nature, oh, the great outdoors. Majestic eagle soaring.